This drill is called Loaded Bird Dog Extension. Okay, we're going to use one of our yellow mini bands. Bree is going to put that around the top of her feet there, okay? And she's going to be in a quad position. Once again, very similar just to the basic bird dog. We're going to work on hip extension back and down, okay? Great drill to work on hip extension. We're going to work the glute max here. In addition, when she's moving here, she's going to want to focus on maintaining a stable base with this right hip, okay? So a couple things to remember here. That leg's punching back. We don't want to move too much in our spine here. We don't want to arch too much. And then at the same time, we want to keep a really stable base on this right hip. I like to do 12 to 15 reps of this drill, then we switch it up. A lot of times you'll notice weakness on one side more than the other. That's a side that we obviously need to work harder on, okay? Nice and stable, good motion there. This is called bird dog extension with load. A great drill to develop hip stability and strength.